nandito tayo ngayon sa Arms Corps Shooting Range yun. Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ating bagong-bagong rifle. So, ang pangalan ng rifle ay MiG-22 Rifle Tactical. So, medyo pahirapan maghanap nitong rifle na to. So, let's unbox it. Yan. So, ito mga manual, etc. And basically, yun lang siya. Rifle and yung magazine. So, rifle, walang ano ba to? Yan. Made in the Philippines. MiG-22. So, try natin iputok ngayon to. Try natin tong long rifle hollow point. Tsaka long rifle solid point. Yung solid yung yung subsonic. So try muna natin tong hollow point. So mas tahimik daw to kaysa dito. So try muna natin tong hollow point. 15 rounds tong tong magazine na to eh. 6 9 10 rounds. Try natin tong 22 LR na hollow point high velocity. Let's go. Good job. First 10 rounds, 1 yung jump. So, yung kanina na-try natin yung hollow point. So, try naman natin tong subsonic. Full metal siya. Solid siya. Ewan ko, sabi nila mas tahimik daw. Okay, let's go. Mismong magazine i-check eh. Ha? Nabengkong na bala. Try ulit. Ah, zero na.